広い。
Dad has his little black table. What if you did this instead?
Home entertainment center. Home entertainment.
Eh?
Yeah, I don't really like it.
Maybe like the color.
It's this one, but it's
Yes.
the one on the side.
これは
That doesn't surprise me. This seems like nice furniture.
うん。
This place is huge.
うん。ああ、インタレスティング。
Kind of interesting, yeah.
うん。I don't know ね。
Alright, oh, kind of sinking it. You know?
Yes.
Definitely comfortable.
うん。Yeah. It's comfortable.
You need to look at end tables too.
うん。
Oh, it's a full house within the store.
I like this.
That's cute.
うん。
Oh, they're really comfy.
ベンチ。
That's cool.
Let's eat.
I like it. Well, you could eat. You could play games on it nicely. It's
ああ。ね。
it's a comfy size for 4 people.
チェアが250ドル。ベンチが450。
You know we could get it, right?
テーブルは
It doesn't say.
う
I'll
ん。
take a picture of the or a tag on it. Better.
うん。Right?
I guess I like this better.
イーストにお砂糖を入れて混ぜます。
Biscuits in my little tooth. I got about this problematic and the better truth. Makes my chest, I guess that I'm the best. I guess that I'll be better when the better rest. I just can't get over this bar upstairs, so I'm gonna take this bar and throw it off the edge. And all I'll ever be is riding next to me, spotting on my screen, something down on me. And I hope that you watched it, I hope that you will. I hope you feel better about these cards today. Look around and tell me what you see. Is it a brand new man or is it same old me? I keep marching forward with a small belief that if I'm still persistent, then I'll soon break free. Lost my thought, I think it wasn't bold. I think it's just a thought that wasn't meant to be told. I grew out of my lens and I could fit my soul. Oh, I was 29, now I'm turning old. And all I'll ever be is riding next to me, exploding on my screen, sun bearing down on me. And I hope that you watch this, I hope that you will. I hope you feel better about these cards today. And you got everything you want, but you still chase it all and all. Seen that stop for nothing, man. I think it's time to change this plan. Where I go, it's been too long, pushing seats now too short. I'm yet to grow into something special I can call. And all I'll ever be is riding next to me, exploding on my screen, sun bearing down on me. And I hope that you watch this, I hope that you will. I hope you feel better about these cards today. About these cards today. About these cards today. About these cards today. About these cards today.
Well, what if the device were loaded with a toxin? What if you want?
You feel it, and that's a good thing. But you follow that kind of philosophy, a principle. He believed that
Because even if we do overreactivate it, there's more. So it's going to take more to do it. Okay, okay. Okay. After that, I'm going to put water in it.
Law and order, son. That's what I stand for. Okay, I wear a badge. This guy wears a mask like an outlaw. He's hunting down a bunch of criminals that all look the same, like he's got some sort of personal vendetta. But he's not protecting innocent people, Mr. Parker.
Let's get some air, Peter. Dad, we need to talk.
Yes, we do.